playlist. Today I'm going to teach you some yoga poses for healthy liver. Bhujanga Asana. It is very beneficial in the condition of fatty liver as it regulates the function of the liver, kidney and spleen. Dhanura Asana. This is an asana that works wonder for people who suffer from fatty liver diseases. It stimulates, strengthens and stretches the liver, and the fat deposit in it are used up as an energy source for the fat. Kasana. Helps in strengthening the abdominal muscles. This further helps in stimulating the digestion, absorption and elimination processes. This posture helps in stretching the middle body and stimulating the relevant organs such as liver. Gomukh Asana. This asana is also known as cow face pose and is very effective in the treatment of cirrhosis. It stimulates the liver and ensures better circulation of oxygen and blood through it. Savasana. This asana is very effective in the relaxing your body when you're done with yoga. In the end, always do 2 to 5 minutes Savasana pose. I hope this video is beneficial for you. So please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.